Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best hair masks in the market right now, the Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask. If you're looking to transform your hair care routine, stay tuned because this might just be the product you've been waiting for. Now, Moroccanoil is known for its quality, and this particular mask lives up to the hype. Packed with antioxidant-rich argan oil and nourishing ingredients, it's designed to revive medium to thick, dry hair in just a matter of minutes. Let's talk about what sets this mask apart. It's not just about hydration. It's about deep conditioning without the need for heat, which is a game changer for those who want to nourish their hair effectively. Using it is simple. Apply to towel-dried hair, comb through, leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. It's recommended to use 1 to 2 times weekly for optimal results. What I love about this mask is how it improves hair texture, elasticity, and manageability. It reduces static and leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft and smooth. Now, compared to other masks on the market, the Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Mask stands out for its quality ingredients and the results it delivers. It's a favorite among beauty enthusiasts for a reason. I've personally used this mask for weeks now, and I've noticed a significant difference in how my hair feels and looks. It's become a staple in my hair care routine, especially during these dry months. Before we wrap up, let's address some common questions you might have about this product. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a hair mask that truly delivers on its promises, the Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask is a must-try. It's a product I confidently recommend for anyone looking to elevate their hair care game. That wraps up today's review. If you've tried this product or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, take care.